The coronavirus pandemic and the rush to vaccinate the people who are most at risk in hospitals and long-term care facilities. The CDC says more than 11 million doses of the vaccine have been shipped in the U.S., but get this, only about 2 million people have actually been vaccinated so far. That's far fewer than the Trump administration intended by the end of the year.
You know, hospitals are treating more than 121,000 COVID patients this morning, and that is a new record. California is one of the states where the virus is out of control, and later today, strict lockdown orders are expected to be extended in that state. Carter Evans is in Pasadena, California, near Los Angeles. Carter, good morning.
Good morning. Huntington Hospital behind me says they've treated nearly 1,500 COVID patients here since the start of the pandemic, and patient numbers are only expected to rise after the holiday season. In fact, California Governor Gavin Newsom says patient numbers and hospitalizations could double within the next month.
California's battered hospitals are bracing for another coronavirus surge after the holidays. In hard-hit Los Angeles County, ICUs are completely full, and about 600 people test positive every hour.
I think we're now in a viral tsunami.
Dr. Robert Kim Farley is a UCLA epidemiologist.
The people who we're seeing in the hospital now, is that still the Thanksgiving surge?
Yes, that's the reality of it. I think that we're in for still a big viral wildfire. We have this light at the end of the tunnel, the vaccine that's coming. But what's happening is that this tunnel is looking uglier and uglier every day.
And demand for that vaccine is evident across the country. Hundreds of seniors lined up for hours to get vaccinated at a Florida community center on Monday. And in New York, the owner of a network of urgent care clinics was ordered to return 2,300 doses of the Moderna vaccine after allegations that it fraudulently gave the vaccine to people who weren't supposed to get it. In a statement, the Park Care Clinic said it's cooperated with authorities and has provided information about its compliance with the Department of Health procedures.
If you violate the law on these vaccinations, we will find out, and you will be prosecuted.
48 states are now sending the first doses of the vaccine to some long-term care facilities, including the Life Care Center of Kirkland, the first nursing home in the country to experience a COVID outbreak in late February of this year. Greg and Laura Roberts are nurses at River Valley Care Center in Northern California. They say they were hesitant to take the vaccine until the virus killed their 44-year-old daughter, Charity.
She had the respiratory arrest, then she had a heart attack, her kidneys shut down, and her liver failed, all at the same time. And I'll be honest, I was on the fence about the vaccines. I'll be first in line. Everybody can stand and watch.
To give you a sense of how dire the situation is here in Southern California, at Huntington Hospital, they recently released a document preparing patients for the possibility that they may have to ration care if the situation continues to deteriorate. If that happens, a panel would then decide who gets treatment and who doesn't. Adriana?
Rationing care in the United States. Carter, thank you.